5 more scammers to be extradited to the United States this week, says Major Antony Anderson, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you, hit that red subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave your comment, become a part of the Rastaman channel, below the Rastaman panel. Jamaicans are the first set of people I see commit crime in other country and get free plane rides to go to the other country to get prosecuted. Are the first set of people missing know how to reach foreign. All them do illegal things to go foreign. Here we have 5 persons that are going to be extradited to the United States for lottery scamming related offense and other serious crime. Yes, this is the word of the Major General Antony Anderson, which is the Commissioner of Police in Jamaica, during a viral press conference, July 5th. This virtual conference here, he said that, lottery scammers investigation will continue to be significant area of collaboration between law enforcement entity, local and overseas, as procedures scamming are used to purchase illegal guns, pay contract killing, and sustain operations of gang. Lottery scamming is one of the major sources of funding of gangs and the criminal underworld, and it is increasingly the driving force of murder and other violent crime. He noted the commissioner said that he just wanted to let people know for this week right here to take heed of the law. He have taken several people into custody this week for the breach of the law reform, which is Fraudulent Transaction Act following major police military operations led by the Lottery Scam Taskforce in St. Anne's. Me never know so them have scammers task force. Look out, scammers. Watch out for the scammers task force. Woo, 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 woo. Mind ain't catch because them are giving a free plane ride to foreign. Far in. Now, Major Antony Anderson said that amongst those taken into custody was a little 16-year-old youth. Listen, and 5 high-end vehicles were seized. Me report on that last week. 3 Beamer and 5 high-end. And I think them said them did have one Mark X and them have a next one. Meanwhile, the commissioner, Major Antony Anderson, said that involvement of young people in the lottery scam is becoming a growing trend. And he's urging all the parents and guardians and teachers to remain vigilant on reporting these activities to police. We have seen the association of violence resulting in the death of family members and friends. So this is not a violentless crime. It has had grown among youths, and the violence amount has been increasing that is associated with it. You are going to adjust your idea me here down so down a jaya so light up some family members because other family members involved. So the way them doing this crime here on the scamming, you are going to them set if them not scamming, them not nyamming. Them are sending money, and if you don't report the money and turn in money, your family couldn't get quang. And that Major Antony Anderson is saying it's not just no play a game where you bingo no more. People are use the money them to set up gangs and hits. Sometimes I know you do the scamming, but you get the hit. Be careful out there, don't get involved. Mothers and fathers, the government is asking you to report the children that you think might be scamming. Why? Me don't know about that. Yo, them say fi keep your mouth and keep your life in a Jamaica, you are gonna take. So, you must know yourself. I'm just reporting the news. I'm Rastafari soldier here of Deep Roots TV, letting you know that 5 will be extradited this week from Jamaica to the United States for scamming and other major crimes. Major Anthony Anderson is reporting on a virtual meeting. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, July 5th. I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe button. Remember to hit that little notification bell. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if you would turn in your own pickaninny if you find out that him scamming and yamming. Or if you would turn a blind eye. And then later on, if somebody quang him, you cry. I'm more life and I'm more joy and I'm more happiness. You stay blessed.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the year every time.
Me know the answer to enough for uno. Uno not say nothing. And the food around. But remember when him get quang, all of the food done. Right now up here, games and fun. Yeah.